Okay, now what is data value? Okay, so data value is different forms of representative or central values pattern are used to describe different forms of data. Different forms of representative or central values pattern are used to describe different forms of data. So what we can conclude from this, कुछ अलग अलग तरह की सेंट्रल वैल्यूज़ होती है, कुछ पैटर्न्स होते हैं जिससे हम डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं अपने डेटा को. ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट वन ऑफ देम इज़ अरिथमेटिक मीन. So what is arithmetic mean? One of the representative values okay, so arithmetic mean actually talks about the value which is obtained after adding all the observation together and then dividing the sum by the total number of observations. Okay, so what do you understand from this? We first have to add all the observation and then we have to divide the sum by the number of observation. Okay, like if you have 6 observations, 6, like in this if I talk about this warm-up question, you have 5 different values. You have the data by the 5 students. Okay, हमारे पास 5 बच्चों ने कुछ पैसे कंट्रीब्यूट किए थे, तो हमारे पास कितनी टर्म्स हैं, टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशंस कितनी हैं, 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. वी हैव 5 ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड वट एवर इज़ गोइंग टू बी द सम ऑफ दीज टर्म्स वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट बाई 5 टू फाइंड द अरिथमेटिक मीन. ओके, so the formula for arithmetic mean, or we also call it average. So the formula of arithmetic mean or average is sum of all observations upon number of observations. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. All right, so let's understand this from an example. So here is example number 1. There is a class of 45 students, out of which 6 students were selected randomly. Their height was measured and the collected data is shown here. So एक क्लास में कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, 45 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, और उनमें से 6 स्टूडेंट्स को रेंडमली सेलेक्ट किया गया और उनकी हाइट का मेजरमेंट लिया गया. So the measurements were 145 centimeters, then 150 centimeters, then 160 centimeters, then 132, 122, and then 140 centimeters. So 6 students were selected randomly. 6 बच्चों को randomly select किया गया एक 45 स्टूडेंट्स की क्लास में से, और उसके बाद उनकी हाइट का मेजरमेंट लिया गया, जो कि हाइट्स थी ये these numbers. So now we have to find the mean of the collected data. अब हमें इस डेटा का, this is data right, so हमें इस डेटा का mean निकालना है. So how do we find the mean? What is the formula? We have learned on the last slide that the formula for finding the mean is sum of all observation divided by the number of observations. So here is a solution. Sum of all the heights. First we have to do sum of all the heights. So the first one was 145, then 151, 163, then 132, 122, 140. So if we add all of these, we get 852. You can try adding yourself and you will get 852. Okay, now the number of students कितने थे? It was clearly given here that there were 6 students. So first what we have done is we have added all the heights. We have added all the heights and we have got 852. Now we will divide this 852, this sum, by 6. So when we will divide 852 by 6, we get 142 centimeter, which is our mean. So we have got our mean, right? So how do we find the mean? First we have to do the sum of all the observations and then we have to divide them by the number of observations. So जैसे हमने इसमें क्या किया, पहले हमने सारे नंबर्स को ऐड कर लिया और जो हमारे पास सम आया हमने उसको नंबर ऑफ़ स्टूडेंट्स जो 6 था उससे डिवाइड कर दिया और डिवाइड करके हमारे पास क्या आया 142 सेंटीमीटर्स, जो कि है हमारा mean. Okay, so mean is the central value and the central value of this data can be 142 centimeters. All right, I hope this example is clear to everyone. I hope everyone understood how to find the mean. So now let's take an example which we have to do ourselves. Okay, so what is this example? Let's do it. Ashish's exams are approaching. He studied for 2 hours, 4 hours and 6 hours respectively on 3 consecutive days. How many hours does he study daily on an average? So आशीष के एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं और हमें उसका डेटा हमारे पास कुछ है कि वो एक दिन पढ़ता है 2 घंटे, फिर 4 घंटे, फिर 6 घंटे ऑन 3 consecutive days. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट कि आशीष एवरेज कितने घंटे पढ़ा. ओके, एवरेज कितने घंटे पढ़ा. So how can we find this average? What is the data we have? We have okay. All right, so let's say we have this. So we have 2 hours and then we have 4 hours. The second one is 4 hours, then 6 hours we have. All right, so now we have how many days? What is number of days? Number of days is number of days. How many number of days are there? Is equal 3. Okay, now first what we have to do is, what is the formula? Formula क्या है average निकालने का? It is sum of all the observation divided by the number of observation. So the observations are 2 plus 4 plus 6. So what is 2 plus 4 plus 6? Isn't it 2 plus 4 6, then plus 6 is 12. Okay, so sum आ गया हमारे पास 12. इसके बाद हमें इसको 12 को किससे डिवाइड करना है? We have to divide this by 3 because 3 is the number of observation. 3 ही तो observations हैं हमारे पास. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 4 hours is our mean. Okay, so the answer to this question is 4 hours. So Ashish average 4 घंटे पढ़ा है. Okay, so this can be the central value of this data. Alright, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to the next type. So next type of data value is median. So the median is the middle value of an arranged list of observation. Median is the middle value इट इज़ द मिडल वैल्यू, बीच की जो वैल्यू होती है एक अरेंज्ड लिस्ट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इज कॉल्ड मीडियन. ओके, so median, the number in the middle. The number in the middle is in this data, this is an example. In this data there's 3 3 3, then 6, then 7 7 and 13, और बीच में क्या है हमारे पास 6. So 6 is the median of this data. Okay, to find the median, either arrange the numbers in ascending order or in descending order to look for the middle value. So what is the meaning of arranged list? Arranged means it is either arranged in ascending order or in descending order. So अगर हमारे पास कोई भी रैंडम डेटा है तो मीडियन निकालने के लिए हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, उसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में या फिर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. उसके बाद जो बीच वाली वैल्यू आएगी उसे ही हम क्या बोलते हैं, मीडियन. ओके, यू सी इन दिस, इवन दिस डेटा इज अरेंज्ड. Okay, it is arranged in ascending order. This is the smallest, then this is the same, then this is bigger than this, then this is bigger than this, then 13 is the biggest. Okay, so first we have to, what is going to be our first step? Our first step is going to be to first arrange our data in ascending order or in descending order, and then we look for our middle value, which is going to be our median. So let's learn this with an example. Find the median of 12 3 5 7 9 8 6 1 and 15. So these numbers are given here, 12 3 5 7 9 8 6 1 and 15. So पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें इसका मीडियन निकालना है. तो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अवर फर्स्ट स्टेप, पुट ऑल द नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आइदर पुट दिस नंबर इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर और इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. दैट इज़ अप टू यू which choice is better according to you. You can put your numbers, you can arrange your numbers in that order, either in ascending order or in descending order. So here the numbers are arranged in the ascending order. First the smallest number 1, then 3, then 5, then 6 7 8 9 12 and 15. Okay, now what you can see, find the middle number, that is 7. So what is the middle number, 1 2 3 4, then here as well 1 2 3 4. So in the middle is the fifth number, which is 7. In the middle there's 7, so 7 is the median. Okay, 7 is the median of this data. Here you can see 50% below, 50% above. So there must be 50% below this median and 50% must be above this median. Okay, so this is again the central value. So I hope the median is clear. I hope it is clear that how to find it. Now let's move on to the example which we have to do. So the first example is the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. The first the first set of data is the runs scored by 11 players in a match. So the data looks like this. The first number is 9, 25, 126, 58, 170, 84, 12, 25, 18, 17 and 15. Find the median of this data. Now we have to find the median of this data. So what is going to be our very first step? So first step is going to be to arrange all of these in ascending or the descending order. So let's arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So the smallest one is, let's do it here. The smallest is 9, then 12, then 15, 17, 18, 15, 17, 18, okay, and then there's 25, 25, 25 here, and then 25 again. इसके बाद आता है हमारे पास 58, 58, then we have 84, 58, then 84, इसके बाद है हमारे पास 84 से बड़ा कौन सा है 126 एंड देन 170, 126 एंड देन 170. ओके, हो गए हमारे कितने नंबर? वी हैव गॉट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got our 11 numbers. So now we will skip this 9, we will skip this 12, we will skip this 15, then 17, here 4 as well. इधर भी हम अपने 4 नंबर्स क्रॉस आउट कर देंगे और हमारे पास मिडिल वाला कौन सा आएगा? द मिडिल वन वुड बी 18. The middle one is going to be 18. Okay, so 18 is our median. Okay, the median is 18. All right, the median to the first one is 18. All right, now wait, the median is going, we have skipped these two, so we have to circle this and the median is going to be this one, 25. I'm sorry, the median is 25. Okay, I have skipped this one. मैं भूल गई इसको. So alright, so the median is 25. Alright, now for the question number 2, the weight in kg of 15 boys of a football club are 37, 41, 55, 37, 43, 50, 32, 43, 47, 45, 36, 38, 44, 39 and 46. Find the median of this data. So now we have again the data of 15 boys, their weights. We have the data of weights of 15 boys. तो हमें इसका भी मीडियन पता करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? The first step is going to be the same, in which we have to arrange these numbers in ascending or descending order. So आप इसको arrange कर सकते हैं पहले, उसके बाद जो भी आपकी मिडिल वैल्यू होगी वही आपका क्या होगा? मीडियन. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to the next central value, that is mode. Alright, so the mode is the number that has the highest occurrence. So the mode is the number that has the highest occurrence, that has occurred the maximum number of times. जो सबसे ज़्यादा बार हुआ है वही क्या होगा? मोड होगा. फर्स्ट वी ऑर्डर ऑल द नंबर्स. पहले हमें सारे नंबर्स को ऑर्डर करना पड़ेगा. In mode we count how many of each value, how many times of each value appears. लाइक एक वैल्यू कितनी बार दिखती है एक सेट ऑफ डेटा में. यू कैन हैव मोर देन वन मोड. आपके पास मोड एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज लाइक इफ टू अकर्ड 5 टाइम्स एंड देन वन ऑल्सो अकर्ड 5 टाइम्स, सो 1 and 2 बोथ आर द मोड. ओके, so now let's learn this with an example. Here is an example. 3 7 5 13 20 23 39 23 40 23 14 12 56 23 and 29. So this is a set of data. So then first we have to arrange these in the order, in ascending or descending order. So we have arranged this in ascending order. Here we got 3 5 7 12 13 14 20 23 23 23 23. So 23 has occurred 4 times, then 29 39 40 56. This makes it easy to see which number appears most often. In this case the mode is 23. So अरेंज करने से क्या फ़ायदा मिलता है हमें? अरेंज करने से क्या हो जाता है कि हमें पता चल जाता है कि कौन सा नंबर कितनी बार आया है. ओके, लाइक नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी कि 23 4 बार आया है. इस डेटा में यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट very thoroughly. So first we can arrange our numbers in the ascending order, and then we can figure out how many times which number has occurred the maximum number of times. So इस केस में जो मोड है वो क्या है? 23, because ये 4 बार आया है. Okay, now try to find the mode of 19 8 29 35 19 28 15 19 29. So now आपको इस डेटा का मोड पता करना है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या कर सकते हैं? वी हैव टू अरेंज ऑल ऑफ दीज इन ascending order. First we can arrange these in ascending order. So let's do it. So the smallest one is 8. Let's do it here. First one is 8. उसके बाद क्या था हमारे पास? We have 15, then 19, 15, and then we have 19, and 19 has occurred more than once. So it is 1 2 and 3 times. इसके बाद आएगा हमारे पास 28, 28. उसके बाद था हमारे पास 29, which I remember has occurred twice. 29 and then here as well 29. और इसके बाद हमारे पास आता है 35. इसके बाद हमारे पास आया क्या? 35. ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन क्लियरली सी कि 19 3 बार आया है और आपका जो 29 है वो 2 बार आया है. तो विच इज़ तो मोड क्या होगा? व्हाट इज़ मोड? मोड इज़ 19 because it has occurred 3 times. So the mode is 19. Okay, so the mode of this data is 19. So I hope the mode is clear. How to find the mode? First we arrange the numbers in ascending order, and then we figure out which number has occurred the maximum number of times. Now range, the last one is range. So how to find the range and what is range? The range is the difference between the lowest value and the highest value. सो एक डेटा सेट में जो लोवेस्ट वैल्यू होती है और जो हाईएस्ट वैल्यू होती है उनका जो डिफरेंस होता है उसको बोलते हैं रेंज. इन अ सेट ऑफ डेटा द डिफरेंस ऑफ द लोवेस्ट वैल्यू एंड द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू is the range of that data. For example, in 4 6 9 3 7 the lowest value is 3, the highest value is 9. लोवेस्ट वैल्यू कितनी है 3 है और हाईएस्ट वैल्यू क्या है 9. सो द रेंज इज़ 9 - 3 दैट इज़ इक्वल टू 6. सो रेंज क्या रहेगी 9 - 3 इज इक्वल 6. Okay, so 6 is going to be the range of this data. Now we have to do this question all by ourselves. The marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in an English test are 85, 76, 90, 85, 48, 56, 95, 81, 62, 99 and 75. So this is a data. अब इसमें हमें क्या निकालनी है, हमें इसकी रेंज निकालनी है. तो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फिगर आउट द स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. सो इस डेटा में स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू क्या है, स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू आई कैन सी इज़ 48 एंड देन द हाइएस्ट वैल्यू इज़ 99. सो द डिफरेंस ऑफ 48 and 99 is 51. Okay, so 51 is going to be the range of this data. The smallest value is 48, the highest value is 99 and their difference is 51. So 51 is the data of this is the range of this data. Okay, so I hope it is clear how to find out the range of a data. Now there are some unsolved examples. Okay, so the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeters and the result are as follows. So these are the heights of the girls. 10 लड़कियों की ये heights हैं. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. So which one is the lowest? It is 128. And which one is the highest? It is 150. So the range is, 151 is the highest. We have to watch carefully. So 151 is the highest value, highest height, and 128 is the lowest value. So their difference is 23. So since their difference is 23, so this is the range of this data. So 23 is the range of this data. Now the next question is the marks out of 100 obtained by students in a maths test are 95, 78, 93, 86, 49, 47, 51, 58, 97, 91 and 65. Find the range of the marks obtained. So again you have to find the range. So for finding the range, first you have to find the lowest value, which is, here I can see the lowest value is 47, and then the highest value is 95. So the difference of 95 and 47 you can find out, and then you can figure out your range. All right, the difference of 95 and 47 is the range of this data. Now practice time. So practice time, let's discuss these questions. The recruitment in a firm during 6 consecutive years was as follows: 1555, 1670, 1750, 2013, 2540, 2820. So this is the data of a recruitment firm during 6 consecutive years. So इसमें 6 observations हैं और we have to find the mean of the recruitment for this period. So for finding the mean, what we have to do is, first we have to find the sum of all these observations, and then we have to find the then we have to divide this by 6, because 6 is the because 6 is the number of observations. Then in the second question again we have to find the okay, let's read this question first. In a soft toy factory, 10 types of toys are made. Their heights were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. So these are the results given. Okay, so what is the height of the tallest boy? So the highest seems 151 here. So this is the answer to this. And now what is the height of the shortest toy? So what is the height of the shortest toy? The shortest toy is 132. Now what is the range of the data? For the range of the data, we have to find the height, the difference of height of the tallest boy and the height of the shortest boy. So the tallest is 151 and the shortest is 128. So we can do their difference to find the range of this data. Now you can do all these questions all by yourself. These are for your practice. So please attempt all these questions. And then you can analyze yourself on our website justtutors.com. Test your knowledge from here. Test your knowledge tab. And then you can go to math class 7th and then you can go to the respective topic that you want to learn about. आप अपने क्लास 7 में जाकर अपने टॉपिक पर जा सकते हैं. And from here you can access the worksheets. You will have the access to the worksheets. Like you need the worksheet for the maths class 7th, so you can go to the class 7th. And from the worksheets tab, and you also get some free study material. Even these test your knowledge and worksheets are also free, and there is some more free study material. You have the exemplar solutions and you have some video lessons as well, and this entire content is absolutely free. So you can just explore the website justtutors.com and please like the video if you find it understandable, and also you can subscribe the channel for regular videos. And so we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Have a very good day.